Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Trick App channel. In this video we are going to be learning how to do a split screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Right now, as you can see, I'm inside Adobe Premiere Pro, and in here you need to select two clips. I'm simply going to be selecting these videos and going to dragging and drop onto my timeline. Now here, to do the split screen effect, what you need to do is first you need to head over to effects and from there crop. Apply crop on both of your videos, so make sure both of your videos are selected and drag and drop crop effect onto your video. And once you do that, you need to double click on your video and adjust it. So once your video is adjusted, make sure you just head over to effect controls and adjust the scale as well, so it just covers frame nicely. Now in your crop effect, make sure you crop it from your right side so only our waterfall is visible. Similarly, you need to do for your second video as well. Now make sure your second video is on top of your first video so both of them can play simultaneously. Now you can see both of our videos are overlapping. Double click on your video and adjust it. Then head over to your crop and simply drag it and adjust your frame. So now you can see the split effect is added, but now to make it look even more professional, you need to head over to your pen tool and make a line in middle of these videos like this and stretch it all the way to your videos, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can add your split effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I really hope you learned something new and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.